Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dev for Dynamic. Today we are going to solve another problem from LeetCode. Problem name is number of way to split array. So basically we have to split array based on these two conditions. I think nums contain valid split. So you are given zero index integer array nums of length n. Nums contain valid split at index if the following are true. Yeah, based on these two conditions, the sum of the first I plus 1 element is greater than or equal to the sum of the last n minus I minus 1 element, and greater than or equal to, and there is at least one element to the right of I that is 0, and so we have to add at least one element to the right. Return the number of valid split in nums. So basically, we can see the example here. He is giving. Let me come here. So we have example 10, 4, -8 and -7. 10, 4, -8, 7. So we have to split something like, if we split from here, so sum of left and this is right. The left side is 10 and sum of right side is something 4 -8 -4. This is 3. So this is greater than equal to, sorry, this one greater than equal to. Let me erase it. So this condition is true. So we have to consider as a valid, and we have to increment our result like 1 by 1. Again, we have to split from here. If we split from here, so sum of these two element is 14, and we have here -1. Again, this is greater than equal to, this condition is true, so again we have to increment 1. Now, if we split from here, so we can see that simply 14 -8, 6. So sum is this 6, and this one have, this one is 7. So this condition is not true. So we have to don't add anything. So 0, and we can't split from here. At least we have that's at one element. So we will solve this problem. Like, let me go down a little bit. 10, 4 -7. 10, 4 -8, 7. So here I'm going to use prefix sum, something like that. So I will store all sum from here. So I will calculate a sum of all element. So 10, 14 and -8 and +7. So I think 14 -8 is 6, 6 and +7 is 13. So this one is 13. So we have sum 13. So we can say that we have this one is right sum, and Now we have left sum. This is 0. So we will take from again we will calculate by using for loop, and we will calculate again take we will take again a for loop. So it will start from we can say that it start from 0, and it will go I less than equal to n minus 1. We are not going to consider last index because we can't split here, and I plus plus. So basically here we have to do like we have to add L sum, left sum. So we will add array of this one is new array, assuming array of I. So it will something like this, and we have to do minus in that sum, because if we split here, so we have to do 10 minus, and it will become 3 here, and so left sum is 10, and that sum will become 3. So again, now here we have to check if left sum is greater than or equal to right sum. So basically here I'm assuming we have a result value in initializing with 0. So if this condition is true, then we have to increment our result, and after that simply we have after this for loop we simply have to return our result. That's is simple. So let me write the code. So here we need write some and say that write some zero and integer left sum, it is also 0, and integer n num dot length length. Now we have to calculate that sum. Simply we will iterate and r sum is equal to num. Now we have to take integer I is equal to 0. We are using we are going to iterate by using a variable, because we don't have to consider last index. That's why we have to ignore last index here. I plus plus. Here again we have to do same thing. First we have to do L sum. It will, I think I explained something wrong here. Yeah, array. So here we have nums of I, and write sum nums of I. Here we have to add, and in write sum we have to subtract. Basically, here in write sum, when we will split, I need this sum, and here we will split, and I need 10 plus 4. So here we have to add. Now if left sum, sorry, I think if left sum is greater than equal to right sum, then we have to increase our result, and here we have to return our result simply, and I forget to initialize result. Yeah, I think, yeah, yeah, this is a medium level problem, but it is, I think, if you understand the problem, you can solve by using like prefix. We have to do some first, left some and answer. So it is simply we can consider as a easy problem. Mm, yeah, I forget. We have to use long hair because if we do some of these value, let me take care. We have lots of value. It will integer can't store that much long value. So we have to use long hair. That's it, guys. And thank you to watching my channel. If you have any doubt, please do comment.